right, boys and girls, we are starting 5.NBT.5, and you should have the 3 sheets that I gave you to insert inside of your journal. The first sheet is a sheet that has the standard, and then I want you to keep this portion whole right here because we're going to glue other portions of the sheet to this right here. And you will use it as a resource when you are working with the standard 5.NBT.5. Your second sheet that you should have should be this sheet right here, and you're going to cut along the dotted line. If you see a straight line that is not dotted, and it's a bold, solid line, you do not cut on that line. You only cut along the dotted line portion. Your third sheet would be this sheet right here that has a total of 6 problems, and you're going to multiply using this traditional algorithm, which is also known as the standard algorithm. You're going to cut along this solid black line, and you're going to glue this in your journal as well. So at the very top, you should have 5.NBT.5. Ignore the page number 39. You just continue numbering the pages that you have in your journal. And this will be the left-hand side for you guys to put your thinking after you have completed the standard. On the right-hand side, you should write 5.NBT.5, and the title is going to be Multiplying Multi-Digit Numbers. The learning goal, to fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. And I just saw that I wrote multiply 2 times. So please do not copy that second multiply. The first one, just go ahead and erase it. To fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. And then you're going to turn to the next available page. Again, remember, do not copy down the page numbers. Just write down the standard and anything that I have for you to glue down. Now we're going to take this first sheet that we cut out, and we are going to glue it in our journal. It may cover the page number, but that's okay. You can just rewrite the page number at the very top and then circle it. So this first page right here, it has our standard in ICANN form, and this thing is multiplication 5.NBT.5 using the standard algorithm to multiply multi-digit numbers. Now the next page that you have that you were supposed to cut out, this is what it looks like after you cut them out. And then I'm going to cut right along here so that I may glue this to this portion of my flaps. So I am cutting on the dotted line, like so. And then in order to make sure I have it lined up, we're going to put multiplying by 1 digit right here to the left, and then multiplying by multiple digits right here on the right-hand side. Make sure you have them lined up like this correctly before you glue anything down. You're only going to place the glue right here. So do a solid, like nice little thin line only on that portion right there. You're going to take the sheet that says multiply by 1 digit, and you're going to line it up and place it right on the portion where you put the glue in. Don't put a lot because it's going to ooze out and it's going to be all sticky on your paper. And then the second one, this is multiplying by multiple digits. You're going to get that glue just a little bit. Thin line, keep it fine. And then you're going to place this right here. And now you have created 2 flaps. Do not pull it up too much because you want to make sure that it doesn't come off. And you can fold it if you want to. So you can go ahead and create that fold so you can create your flap and then fold the other one. So now you have 2 nice resource flaps to help you evaluate the standard. Alright? Now we're going to move to the right hand side. And this piece of paper that I asked you to cut out along the solid line, it should look like this after you cut it out. Again, I know I'm about to cover up my page number. Ignore my page number. You will continue to keep the same page number that you have on in your journal. So we're going to turn this over, and we're going to put a dot. Those four corners you can put in the middle right here. I like to sometimes draw nice little plus sign in the middle. We're going to turn this over, and we're going to glue it. Alright, and this is what you should have for me on Monday morning when you come in, and we will begin working on NBT.5, multiplying multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. That's all I need for you to do today. Now, while you're at home, you can definitely color this portion of your NBT.5 journal entry. Color this right here, and then I can show you an example of what it looks like when it's completed and you're colored. I'm going to cover the answers right there. But then we have a nice little outline of each portion of it. You don't have to do it exactly like this, but you definitely can color it any color you want to, make it nice and pretty and vibrant so that you will not be bored looking at a plain black and white journal entry. I have this side right here, and then the other side is what we're going to complete and fill out in class together in small groups when you come to Davis Direct and Johnson Direct. All right, boys and girls, I will see you on Monday morning, and make sure you have your journal completed. Also, parents, if you're viewing this, when you turn to the very front, to the rules and reasons, your child has already signed, and we went over the rules and reasons of our math journal. And on the right-hand side, we also have the grading rubric, and then they're going to receive a grade for a portion of their journal entry every couple of weeks. And now they will be unannounced, so they have to keep up with their journals, and I will have continuous video entries over the weekend for the students to do for homework, explaining to them what they need to have for the following Monday to begin working on that standard. This standard will be more than 1 week, so we'll be working on 5.NBT.5 for a total of 2 weeks, and then we'll have a test on Friday. All right. Thank you.